Conjugation of the verb to add in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present. I add. 2. Simple past. I added. 3. Simple future. I will add. 4. Present continuous. I am adding. 5. Past continuous. I was adding. 6. Future continuous. I will be adding. 7. Present perfect. I have added. 8. Past perfect. I had added. 9. Future perfect. I will have added. 10. Present perfect continuous. I have been adding. 11. Past perfect continuous. I had been adding. 12. Future perfect continuous. I will have been adding. Conjugation of the verb to add. He, she, or it. 1. Simple present. He, she, or it adds. 2. Simple past. He, she, or it added. 3. Simple future. He, she, or it will add. 4. Present continuous. He, she, or it is adding. 5. Past continuous. He, she, or it was adding. 6. Future continuous. He, she, or it will be adding. 7. Present perfect. He, she, or it has added. 8. Past perfect. He, she, or it had added. 9. Future perfect. He, she, or it will have added. 10. Present perfect continuous. He, she, or it has been adding. 11. Past perfect continuous. He, she, or it had been adding. 12. Future perfect continuous. He, she, or it will have been adding. Conjugation of the verb to add. You, we, or they. 1. Simple present. You, we, or they add. 2. Simple past. You, we, or they added. 3. Simple future. You, we, or they will add. 4. Present continuous. You, we, or they are adding. 5. Past continuous. You, we, or they were adding. 6. Future continuous. You, we, or they will be adding. 7. Present perfect. You, we, or they have added. 8. Past perfect. You, we, or they had added. 9. Future perfect. You, we, or they will have added. 10. Present perfect continuous. You, we, or they have been adding. 11. Past perfect continuous. You, we, or they had been adding. 12. Future perfect continuous. You, we, or they will have been adding.